good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to create a poll on Facebook. Okay, first things first, what you want to do to proceed is to open up your Facebook app. Now that you are in Facebook, head on to create a post by pressing what's on your mind. Once you have done that, you can see that there is a selection of things that you can post below. So what you want to do is to scroll down until you find polls. Then click it. However, please take note that in Facebook recent update, you will not have any poll option in your personal account. So that means you can only create a poll if you have a personal page on Facebook. Anyways, now you are finally in the polls option. In here, you can edit the content of the poll. You can even add more options or even rename the choices and even add photos. You can also allow your audience to choose multiple options or only one option. Okay, when you are done editing, you can just go ahead and press done. And you just have to wait until your audience votes on your poll. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you. And that's it. You can now create a poll on Facebook. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.